Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Korean listening skills with Drops, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your Korean listening skills with Drops, begin by setting a clear goal for your learning. Choose specific topics or themes you want to focus on, such as daily conversations or travel vocabulary. Download the Drops app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Create an account to personalize your learning experience. Once inside the app, navigate to the Korean language. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Select a category that aligns with your chosen theme. Engage with the content by listening to the pronunciation of each word or phrase. Repeat the words out loud to improve your speaking and listening skills simultaneously. Utilize the flashcard feature for effective memorization of words. Practice active listening by focusing solely on the audio and trying to comprehend its meaning without looking at the text. Incorporate daily practice into your routine, even if it's just for 5 to 10 minutes. Use the challenge mode to test your listening comprehension under different scenarios. Record your voice as you read along, comparing it to the native pronunciation provided by Drops. Make use of the visual aids that accompany sound, as they help reinforce understanding. Expand your listening skills by participating in community forums or challenges within the app. Listen to short stories or dialogues offered in the app to build context around new vocabulary. Don't hesitate to revisit earlier lessons for reinforcement and to track your progress over. Lastly, complement your Drops learning with additional resources like Korean podcasts, music, or TV shows to enhance your exposure to the language. With consistent practice and dedication, you will gradually notice improvement in your Korean listening skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.